This AI business can be done by anyone around the world, but only a few people are talking about it. You can potentially make up to $100 every single day. And the best part is that you don't need any prior experience. You only need a laptop and Fliki AI, which will create high-quality custom videos using the text prompts you type in. So pay attention because this video will show you the wealth of potential that can be tapped. So what is this business exactly? TikTok automation. This is not a new idea, but it's one that many people are using to make lots of money. You see, accounts like this one upload these AI-generated TikToks and gain thousands of views with minimal effort. In fact, I'm pretty sure that this account, which posts TikToks on motivational quotes, is making hundreds of dollars in passive income. So, how are they making money? I'll get to that later on in the video. First, I'm going to take you to Fliki AI, which we will use to create our TikToks and automate our business. I'm going to type, create a cool video about how to survive on Mars.
Surviving Mars, a guide to thriving on the red planet. Imagine stepping onto the red surface of Mars, a new world full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. How would you survive?
As you can see, we get a fully created TikTok ready for us to upload. And don't worry if you don't like the voice or the subtitles or even the videos used. I will show you how to change these. But first, you need to create an account with Fliki AI. Click the link in the description to get started for free. Next, create a new file and give it a name. Now we get to the fun part. This is where you can turn your idea into a video with just a text prompt. So, type in an idea for your video. If you want ideas for this, use ChatGPT. And that's it, you have a full video ready to be uploaded. Now, if you're not happy with something in the video, Fliki AI allows you to edit the video further so that you are completely satisfied. For example, I changed the voice of the narrator to British female and also changed the subtitles.
Surviving Mars, a guide to thriving on the red planet. Imagine stepping onto the red surface of Mars, a new world full of mysteries waiting to be uncovered. How would you survive?
Pretty cool, right? But wait, what if you wanted to create an AI avatar for your TikToks like these? Well, Fliki AI has this feature too. Here I am creating an AI avatar so that my videos stand out and people watch them for longer.
Surviving Mars, a guide to thriving on the red planet.
This is all cool, but how do we actually make money? Okay, I'm going to show you 2 ways in which you can now monetize your videos and start earning a consistent income. So the first method is the easiest. Remember the video we generated? Well, if you look closely, you will see that it's over a minute long. This is crucial for our first method of income because TikTok only allows videos longer than a minute to earn money as part of their creativity program. Okay, method number 2 is slightly harder but has the most earning potential. If we go back to the account we saw earlier, we can see that it has a link in the bio. If we click on this link, we can see that they are selling an ebook to help people learn how to gain more followers on TikTok. I am pretty confident that this is how they are making most of their money. You see, by selling digital products online, they are free of any trouble to do with inventory and returns. If we scroll down to the bottom of this website, we can also see that they have created this website using Shopify. This means that they didn't spend very long creating a web page since Shopify did most of the work for them. So what does this mean for our TikTok automation business? Well, now we need to also find or create a product to promote in our bio. If you have knowledge or skill in a certain area that people are willing to pay money for, then I would recommend creating an online course or ebook to promote. If not, don't worry, I am going to show you how to find products to promote that will keep giving you recurring sales. For this, we are going to use an affiliate website to search for some digital products. I'm going to use impact.com, but there are many others out there. Just sign up and you are good to go. Before we continue, if you are still watching, consider subscribing to my channel so you don't miss out on my other passive income streams videos. Now back to the video. Scroll through the different products and make sure to select one that has something to do with your niche. After all, your target audience is much more likely to purchase something they are interested in. You can filter the brands by category. For example, I chose the health and beauty category. Now we can select a brand that pays a decent commission. I selected this brand called Ritual, which sells supplements and similar products. I checked out their website to see what kind of products they sold. They have a high commission rate of 40% for their online sales. Now, I have to be honest with you, most of the time, when you apply to a brand's affiliate program and you only have a small audience, you won't get selected. So make sure to apply to as many brands as possible on impact to increase your chances of getting selected. As you can see, this brand's acceptance rate is pretty low with only 7% being accepted. Okay, so now that we have a product to promote, we can either create a website with Shopify or create a Linktree account. I would recommend Linktree because it's completely free. However, if you want your page to look more professional, then Shopify would be the better option for this. So back to Linktree, the free version lasts forever and has no limit on the amount of links you can add, which is all that we require. Now that we have established the main building blocks of this business, let's go back to Fliki AI. We can keep creating new videos by just typing in new prompts. However, the free version of Fliki AI has a credit limit of 5 minutes per month. So if you want to take your business to the next level, then I would recommend getting their premium plan, which gives you 600 minutes of credits per month. This is more than enough to upload multiple videos every single day and grow your TikTok account quickly. If you find this plan is too expensive for you, then they also offer a standard plan which is $20 per month. Now, I would just like to mention that this process of uploading content to TikTok will at first be trial and error. It will take some hard work and consistent uploads for you to start seeing some results, but do not give up. The people who do well are those who keep trying even when they see no results. If you are still watching, then I have a bonus tip for you. If you are already creating TikToks, then upload the same short form content to YouTube Shorts and Instagram Reels as well. This is something that I always see a lot of people miss out on, but it can increase your online exposure dramatically. And if you want to create long form content to, for example, upload to YouTube, then you can also do that with Fliki AI. Just select the landscape mode when creating a new file, then adjust the video length you want. You can create videos up to 15 minutes long with their premium account. If you are still watching, then make sure to give this video a like if you found it useful and comment down below what is your motivation to start making passive income online. Also, if you have any tips for creating a successful TikTok account, then please also leave it in the comments and let's help each other grow. Check out my Pinterest affiliate marketing video, which is linked in the description for another tutorial on how to make money online. Bye guys.